Hi, welcome back to another unboxing video with me. So hari ni ada pulsa baru kat sini, as you can see. So, I dah ada Royalty, Serenity, Happiness, so cute, Hope, and Luck. So for this series, V3, I just missing one more doll. Can you guys guess which one that I missed? I bet you do. So I believe the last one in the series, which is you're going to see later. You know guys, I just want to wrap this series and forget about it and move on. So but there is a lot of doll coming soon. Did you know that Demo, yes Demo, they will come out with a new doll. And I'm going to show you the doll on the screen. This is the new doll from Demo series. This is called Gentleman, I guess. In this series, they have two dolls. And this is the first figure from Demo. Sebelum ni dia pendant kan, pendant and plushie. This is the first time Demo in figures and fully articulate you all. It's just like the doll that I've bought before, which is Molly and Hachipupu Stitch too. So I'm saving up my money for this one. Without further ado, let's open this box. The box is really secure. I love it. You ready guys? Ta-da! Woo! Big into energy. So I dah tahu dah apa kat dalam ni. You guys yang tak tahu lagi apa kat dalam ni kan. So you guys yang kena tutup mata. Jom kita buka. Oh, dan ni pun yang siri baru. Dia datang dengan pouch. Ni yang baru kan. Kalau dia dapat dengan pouch ni yang baru. So, are you ready guys? Tada! This is love. So, I dah complete dah I punya series dah. I dah dapat dah love. In person, it's not too bad. But red is not my colour. Sebab tu lah I beli last kali love ni. So, I tak perlu fikir lagi dah. Sebab I dah complete dah V3. Except for the secret lah. Secrets I ada. This one. But this one is okay. And I dah custom dah. Jadi, I dah complete dah love. This is love. But this one is a little bit crooked. Tengok kepala dia macam tilt to the side. But it's okay. So inilah love, the last doll that I own in this series. So this is the card. So this is love. So guys, this is all collection for the V3 series. I dah ada semua dah. Yay! So, that's it for today. Bye! Bye! So, this is all together.